everybody, welcome to Lotus Kitchen. I hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to show you all how to make pakoras. Now I'm going to make different varieties of pakoras. The basic flour is going to be same for all the vegetables. So let's get started. The ingredients to make pakoras are, this is gram flour, 500 grams, and this is some soaked semolina rava. I have soaked it for about 15 minutes in water. This is rice flour, just half a bowl of this and half a bowl of semolina. And then I'm going to make beetroot pakoras, cabbage pakoras, palak pakoras, aloo pakoras, and for this we need green chili paste. This is ginger garlic paste. I have put in some water. These are carom seeds. These are sesame seeds. This is baking soda. This is salt and some water, some haldi and oil for frying. Now I'm going to add some haldi to this besan flour. This is the rice flour and this is the soaked semolina. To this I'm adding salt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt, and then some haldi powder. These are sesame seeds. These are carom seeds. This is the green chili paste. And then I'm going to pour this water. Add water little at a time. Now when this is done perfectly, at last, at the end, I'm going to add soda, baking soda, and then mix it well. Now first we are going to prepare palak pakoras. I'm going to take this chopped palak and I'm going to pour this batter into this. Now I have poured some oil in a kadai, and when it gets hot we are going to fry these in the hot oil. Now the oil is hot. You can use your hands, you can use a spoon and just fry these pakoras in hot oil. Now these are perfectly done. I'm going to remove these from hot oil. Now we'll make cabbage pakoras. 1 cup of chopped cabbage and the same batter. Now to this I'm going to add this ginger garlic paste with some water. Mix it well. The oil is hot, fry it. Now these are almost done. This is grated beetroot. To this I'm going to add the same batter. Some ginger garlic paste with water. Mix it well and let's fry them. I'm going to flip them. Now the beetroot pakoras are ready. I'm going to remove them off the tray. Now I'm going to pour this batter into a bowl. And now it's time to make these aloo pakoras. I'm going to dip them like this and fry them in hot oil. Aloo pakoras taste yum. I'm sure you'll all like to have pakoras. Now I'm going to flip them. These are super tasty aloo pakoras. I just love them. They are looking like mini puris. These are almost done. Now for aloo pakoras, you have to just lower the flame because it should not remain ketchup from inside. Now these are done. Yes, these are done. Now these are done. Beetroot pakoras, palak pakoras, cabbage pakoras and aloo pakoras. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Do try these recipes and tell me more about what you like and what you want me to do in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Keep watching. Thanks for watching.